What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's kind of, I don't know how long I can call these moving vlogs. Like, I moved in, my furniture is here, I'm still getting decor things and like some furniture, you know, things are still coming. But I wasn't gonna vlog today just because I didn't think anything new or exciting was happening. Then I found out, I got an email that my over-the-toilet storage that got lost in USPS and Amazon is actually coming today. So fingers crossed. It said it was out for delivery in Brooklyn. Hopefully that actually comes, and I want to film that, putting that together, and that'll be cool. And I'm going to try a new gym, which I actually ended up joining a gym kind of accidentally. Not accidentally, it was very purposeful. I'm about to go work out now, mixing up some of my pre-workout. So I'm going to check out this gym for the first time, which I joined this gym. So what happened was I did a trial at Crunch when I was staying in my Airbnb because there was one super close. I didn't like love that location. It was pretty small and kind of like boxed off. It was like they had good equipment and good stuff, but I wasn't like in love with it. Crunch is pretty expensive for my standards. It's not like Equinox, but it's like $100 a month for just that location. And then if you wanted to go to all of them, it was $130. So I was like, that's a lot just to work out. I've just been trying different ones. I tried Planet Fitness, which was definitely cheaper. I really don't like their branding, like their colors. It just feels very like claustrophobic and like not a good energy. I just didn't like that feeling. So I didn't love it. And then a bunch of people told me to try Blink Fitness, which is a place that has a few locations around New York. I don't think it's just a New York place, but I had never heard of it before, so I looked into it. Hold for shaking. And they had much better deals. It was like 20 bucks. Then I got a call from the guy who manages the Crunch location that I tried. And he was like, hey, like we're doing this promotion just today, and I know that they suck you in with these things, and it worked on me. If you join today, like we'll get rid of all the enrollment fees, the like this fee, and you'll only pay $80 a month, which is still kind of pricey for a gym, but that's like $50 cheaper than their normal, like this is the all access one, so you can go to all of the gyms, all the locations. And it's $130 normally. So what he told me is I have 3 business days to cancel and get a full refund if I don't like it, because I told him that I wanted to try this other location first before I committed. So I just went for it and I joined for the $80 a month, and I'm about to go check out the location that's actually closer to me now and see how I like it. He said it's a lot bigger. I like Crunch overall, so they have a lot of cool classes and stuff too. I still have my pass to Blink, so I'll probably try that over the weekend and see how I feel, and if I like that just as much, then maybe I'll cancel and go for Blink because it is cheaper. That's a status report of my gym situation. I am getting back into fitness. I'm so excited. I've been really mindful about my eating, and I want to get back into working out consistently. So I'm getting back slowly into tracking my food a little bit, on a little bit of a deficit, and working out regularly and getting into a routine with that. So that's not like going to be the focus of this video. I want to do a more fitness focused vlog again coming up because I know a lot of you love those. So I'll show you what that gym is like, how I feel, and then I'm gonna come back and build furniture. And then I'm going to dinner tonight with a girl named Hallie who reached out to me on Instagram, and I was like, yeah, let's hang out. Are we still liking this? Let me know. It actually does look gold on camera, but in person it's just like a flat tan color. This place is huge. There's like some construction going on in some process, but I need to go find shoulder level. Like, what is an artist? Oh, that class is so cool. I really love the size of this. Guys, I just stopped at this grocery store really quick just to check out what's in my neighborhood. And they have Oatly ice cream, like oat milk ice cream, and I'm gonna try it. It's not the best for you, but I'm just gonna try it. I grabbed a coffee one, so. Other random things I picked up, a little Himalayan salt grinder, and I got just a normal thing of ground black pepper because I was needing it to cook last night, and I didn't have any normal pepper, so I thought that was necessary. I got a little tiny broom just for the kitchen floor for the time being till I fix my Dyson, and a splitter because I thought I had enough. But now that I'm using one in the kitchen, I don't have one for my desk. So I immediately pulled out the Oatly and I was like, I just have to try it now. So I opened it and look how cute. It says, after removing this wrapper, you will eat this product. Please don't ask how we can possibly see into the future. It's a gift. It definitely tastes like oat milk. It's so creamy though, wow. Also, I'm still sweating, sorry. It's the creamiest non-dairy ice cream I've ever had. And there's not pea protein. I mean, it's not like a calorie friendly, one of those like Halo Top kind of business ice creams, but yummy treat. Before I eat half of this, I'm gonna make an actual lunch because it's like afternoon now and I haven't eaten. I think I'm just gonna heat up my leftover HelloFresh meal I made because that was so bomb. At long last, my Amazon package has been through some shit, I'm sure. But yay, I'm gonna build my toilet storage thing, and there should be the tension rod in here so I can finally put up curtains, so that'll be nice. Wow, she's beauty and she's grace. Does it come with a plant? But first, lunch. Yum. Oh boy. That's not supposed to happen. Is this even a one-person job? All right, it's not perfect or even all the way up there or even straight on the window, but it's gonna need some help, but it's a good start. I guess I'm gonna build this thing before I shower. 30 minutes, let's see. Yeah, okay, I should have enough time to do this. Famous last words. This is the one I got. I'm trying to link everything as I buy it on my Amazon page in case anyone else is interested in this stuff, and I'm getting a lot of it on Amazon. Are you supposed to build it like around the toilet? And is this a one-person job? I have a lot of questions. Look at this. Making moves, building things. It's a start. So we got a bar down there supporting it. That was kind of a struggle around this thing. I feel like the toilet's like, it's kind of angled from the wall. Like it's not parallel, I don't know, whatever. Look at this, I'm building things and I haven't even done anything wrong yet. I'm gonna have to attach this to the one already around the toilet, and I'm not sure if I can do that by myself, but we're gonna do our best. Place a magnet on the other panel. This is the last panel. So this has gotta be it, there we go. Guys, look at this. I did the damn thing, built the damn thing. It is actually smaller than I thought it was going to be. I mean, I could have measured it, but I just figured it would be taller, but that's okay. It's still got a good little bit of storage, and I don't need a ton for my bathroom. I still have stuff in these like toiletry bags that I'll organize later, but this will hide them well enough for now because I need to shower and get ready to go. It definitely took me like over an hour, not 30 minutes. It lied, or else I'm incompetent. All showered and ready now. We're going to a Mexican place in East Village, which I don't think I've ever explored the East Village or spent much time there. I don't know what else I was gonna say in this clip, but it's really bothering me that my curtain is like crooked. Problems we will address later. Bye. Hello everyone, it is now the next day. I didn't end up vlogging last night, I don't think, but I had such a fun time hanging out with Hallie and getting dinner. We went to this really good Mexican place in East Village, and I really liked the East Village area. I definitely want to go back. It seems like there's a lot of good restaurants and stuff to try, so if you have recommendations in the East Village, let me know. Friday morning, and I'm just hanging out doing some work, doing some like brand edit stuff for videos, and now I'm shifting to a cover letter that I need to write for an application to do this weekend. The job search is on. I haven't really been as focused on it the last week or two because of the move and everything. Now that things are pretty settled with my apartment and I'm just getting like pieces here and there, I'm trying to hone in on doing applications and submitting things. I kind of have a little bit of a grace period just because my actual diploma for my master's degree, since I'm a summer graduate technically with my summer class in Geneva, even though I finished the class last month in July, my actual diploma from American says August 25th because that's when they award summer diplomas. So technically I'm like still a student until I get that diploma. So I have like a grace period of the month of August until like September is when I would actually have a gap on my resume. People who are still asking about that one job, I still haven't heard back, and I definitely don't think I'm going to at this point. When I go and log on my application, it still says like we're currently reviewing all applications, but it's been like 6 weeks now. Just kind of throwing everything at the wall, hoping something sticks. Some of these jobs I'm applying to I'd be like more excited about than others. Some that are like a little more administrative, which I really am not an administrative person, but it's a good place to start and then like work your way into the organization. And then there's some that are like more communication stuff because I do have experience in that. I did communications when I worked at the Wilson Center, and it's still related to international relations, but also like what I do with social media too. So it's kind of like a good happy medium. So I wouldn't mind, honestly. Like I do love doing communication stuff. That's obviously not what I like studied, but that's what I have experience in. If I find a position that's kind of like communications in an organization that works on international relations kind of issues, that's great for me too. I'm also kind of toying with the idea of getting a part-time job because like I do really love focusing on doing YouTube videos too, And so I know that like my last semester when I was working full-time and going to school and doing YouTube, it just like really, it was really hard on me. And I found a surprising amount of part-time jobs in the field that I want to work in, which is weird because I really didn't expect that. So I'm considering that too, but you know, keeping my options open. It's just kind of the update on my job search. It's very early stages, so I just thought I'd keep you guys updated if you're interested. I'm gonna finish a cover letter while I'm sitting here, and I'm gonna make some avocado toast, and then my rug is coming today, so I'm so excited to show you guys that, and I hope it looks good in my room. I think this is the one I'm gonna get. It's Nordly, and it's a low wide dresser that only goes up space at the top to put like cushions on it, to have a little seat or something. It's cute. It's just solid white with those drawers.
Anybody knows who perpetrated this?
A kitchen table for the timing. It's been a while. I had my avocado toast. I think I filmed some of that. And I'm about to head out because I was about to buy that dresser online, and then I went and typed in my gift card number, and it didn't have like a scratch off pin thing. And I was like, that's weird because it asked for a pin code. And then I looked and it said, gift cards without pin code cannot be used online. So I'm gonna go into Manhattan, and I'm like, there is like an IKEA store, it's not a warehouse, planning studio or something, but I didn't even know that existed, but I just looked it up. So I'm gonna go and order my dresser from there so I can use my gift card, and then I might as well just look at the other things too, and it'll be actually nice to see the dresser in person. But then again, it's not a warehouse, so I don't know if they actually have the furniture set up. I don't know what this place is, but I thought it'd be fun to investigate anyway, because why not? I thought I'd take you guys with me, so let's go check out the IKEA planning studio in Manhattan. It's on the Upper East Side. IKEA, here we go. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop and get coffee and then go to IKEA. Perfect. There she is. And I got my coffee, so all is well. Okay, here's inside the IKEA studio. Downstairs they have a bunch of like studio apartment areas, I think. But he told me that the dresser I'm looking for is upstairs, so I'm gonna go look for it. Look how cute. They just have little setups like an IKEA store. It'd be so fun to have all these plants, but I would not be able to, I mean, they're fake, but I still would probably kill them somehow. So this is the one I was looking at, Nordly, but there's just like set up differently, so you can mix and match the sizes. But I think I would get all the little ones, like 6 of them, so it'd be low. But it's kind of weird. I think it'd actually be kind of cool to have a deep one with some normal ones too. I wish they had it in the setup I wanted so I could see the size in person, but I mean, I know the measurements, so it should be fine. Let's go see if I can buy this dress. Look at this thing. First of all, it's like a little octopus, and at first I thought it was like a baby toy, and then I was like, oh no, maybe you hang like ties on it or something. But I read it and it's like to dry clothes, like a hanging dryer. How smart is that? Wow, thank God they have snacks. I'm starving. So what I'm thinking for the couch living room situation is I like the idea of just a little corner piece like this. Like this is obviously sections with like a bigger one in the corner. But ideally, I would just buy a corner one by itself. I wonder if this one might be too big though, and then have a little table and a chair next to it. So I want to find out what this one is called and if it comes in white. It's nice because these are designed for like tiny New York apartments, so it says the square foot of each room and then how they set it up. So there's some cool ideas in here. Okay, a success. This is my receipt. I just ordered my dresser. It's gonna come on Tuesday, and I got a cute little throw blanket too. So yay, this was fun. I like this because it's like the IKEA without the stressful part of IKEA where it's a massive warehouse. I came to this random ass part of Brooklyn. I think it's Gowanus. There's a Costco. So I'm gonna go, I refilled, got my prescription transferred. So I'm gonna go pick it up at Costco. Made it to Costco. Got my prescription. Kind of wandering through the home and kitchen stuff because I feel like they'd have good deals on it, but it's just hard when you don't have a car because like I'm not gonna lug. I guess I could take that on the subway, but like I also don't need 20 pieces of silverware, so I guess I should stay away from bulk. But they just have so many good deals. I'm home. Look what I got! My new rug. Locked and loaded. I'll be really sad if it doesn't work because I have high hopes for it, but all credit goes to Molly Bailey. She posted on her Instagram story, and I never, like I said, like I don't usually like rugs, like I don't think they're that cute, but I saw this one and I was like, where did you get that? And she sent me the link to it and she's like, it's so cute. So I'll have the link down below if you guys want to get it too. They have a bunch of different sizes. I decided to get the square one. I did 6 feet by 6 feet because it seemed like it would work best. I don't know though. I'm really not good at measuring and depth perception. I'm guessing on all of that. So it's gonna come like right to my bed. Trial and error, and hopefully not error. Okay, if we put it like that and just squish it down. First off, the true test is if the drawer's open. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. We're golden. It is a bit of a tight squeeze, but if it goes up a little on this side, that's okay because I'll have furniture holding it down. I think it's really cool. I'm second guessing the size of it. Like, is it just awkward that it's just sitting in the middle like that and not like a rectangle? I feel like it's a little hard to picture just because I don't have furniture here yet, but I think it'll be really cute once I have a little sofa corner couch here and a little table. I think it'll be really, it'll pull it together more. The mirror, I think it's cool. So this is kind of what I had in mind when I wanted to bring in a little more black to contrast the room. I think it adds a really fun dimension. I also do kind of like how it goes to the bed though. And like me getting out of bed, like I'll have a little rug to step on and the drawer's still open. Let me know what you guys think of my rug, if you like it with the room. Once I have the stuff there and my dresser, which is gonna probably come out to the end of this the next day, and something that I was not even expecting yet just came in the mail. So we're doing another unboxing. Look at this, back to back. Yesterday it was my rug, and now I haven't even told you. Did I tell you guys that I ordered this? I don't know, but let's open it together. I ordered green bubble wrap. I love it, just like the picture. Ooh, a box in a box. Oh, I just hit myself in the face with bubble wrap and I don't even think it was on camera. That's just sad. I love circle mirrors, and I have this little one that I had on that wall, but then I decided to put it there just because there was like this instructions about the building sticker on the wall, so, or on the door. So I decided just to cover with that mirror anyway, so it's good there for now. I knew I wanted to get a bigger mirror anyway, just to like open up the space more and reflect all the light. More bubble wrap, just what I want. It's like bigger and heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, hello there. Look at this beautiful, you can see yourselves, look at that. Giant gold rimmed circle mirror, which I know this is like the basics of the basics when it comes to mirrors. Like everyone does these and it's all over Pinterest. But I just love the look of them. I'm not really sure the best way of mounting this because I feel like it might be too heavy for a nail. I mean, I needed like a bigger nail. Let's just prop it up and see how it looks. Oh, that's gonna make it look so cool. Honestly, I could just leave it propped like that, but I do want it to hang and be higher up on the wall. How to hang it. I do think it's a good size for this wall though. Still some side between it and the molding if it's centered. But yeah, I'll probably hang it like a foot up or something like that. I'm pretty sure I only have like tiny nails that I don't think would hold that. Yeah, this comes with little guys. Definitely like here, I think. It's 22 inches in diameter if anyone was wondering. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this mirror. It's nice to have it like closer up and it's a good light too. So I might keep it off to the side. I'm gonna have to get bigger nails and then hang it up. I was planning on just ending off my vlog and then editing it for it to go up tomorrow for you guys. Hold for siren. New York City living, am I right? Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed coming to IKEA with me, doing a little bit of furniture shopping, ordering my dresser, which is coming on Tuesday. Ordered a couple of things I didn't tell you guys about yet that are coming, that are gonna be really exciting. I got some things for the walls. Not exactly what you might have in mind. I don't know, I don't wanna give anything away. But one of them's coming next week, and then one of them I ordered that's gonna take a little longer because it's like custom, making it like that much more homey every time I get something new, so it's so fun to share it with you guys. Give it a thumbs up if you made it this far, and subscribe if you're not already so you can see all the stuff coming up. You can see me building my dresser on Tuesday. I didn't mention it yet, I didn't do just the standard 6-drawer one. I customized it for different sizes, so you'll see what that looks like when I put it together on Tuesday. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next vlog on Tuesday. Bye.